I want you to be unforgettable. I want you to be the guy that when you meet a girl, that girl can't stop thinking about you all night. She's just thinking, man, that dude was a stud. That dude was a catch. I need to see that dude again. And today, I'm going to help you do just that. Number one, you got to smell good. You got to smell good. Bro, if you are not using a fragrance, you're leaving so much on the table. This is so easy. Find a good scent, put it on, and I promise you, when you talk to girls or anybody really in general, they're going to want to linger around you for longer just because you're pleasant. And no, I'm not talking about Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage is played out. I want you to do your research. I want you to go in and start testing fragrances and put one on that makes you smell good. It'll give you confidence and it'll make you more memorable. Number two, fresh breath and soft lips. This right here, it's a killer combo. Whenever you're this close to a girl, that the sexual tension's really starting to build up, she's gonna be looking at the lips. She's gonna be able to breathe your hot breath, right? Especially when you're that tight. If it stinks and your lips are chapped, it's game over. In her mind, she's thinking, yo, that's disgusting. I don't wanna kiss that dude. But if it's the opposite, whether you do or don't kiss, in her mind, all she'll be thinking, man, how soft did those lips look? How good did that breath smell? This is why the killer combo you do is you brush your teeth, and I've told you this before, as soon as you're done, you clean that toothbrush and you exfoliate those lips with that same bristles to remove that dead skin. You do that every morning, you're gonna have that killer combo, especially if you do it with our electric toothbrush from He. See, our toothbrush has 33 RPMs, which means that for every minute, you're gonna be doing 33,000 brush strokes that is not only more effective at removing plaque buildup and dirt from your teeth, giving you a wider, cleaner, fresher smile, it's also going to be just as effective on your lips and on your tongue. See, our toothbrushes, when you flip them around, has a tongue scraper. The tongue is the source of most of the bacteria that smells bad. You clean that tongue with that same efficiency, your tongue's going to be clean, your teeth are going to be white, and your lips are going to be smooth, bro. Well, right now, He is on our Black Friday sale. I believe we only got 1 or 2 days left. Everything's up to 50% off, which means you can get this toothbrush at a ridiculous deal. We've never offered this toothbrush this low because it's kind of expensive. Like electric toothbrushes aren't cheap. Well, right now you can get them like for crazy cheap. Like it's stupid affordable. You'll never see it this cheap. And the cool part is that once you buy one, you got a lifetime. See, it doesn't use batteries, it's wirelessly charged, and it already comes with the station, and then you can just buy the replacement heads every 3 months, and you'll never have to buy another toothbrush again. You just replace the heads, and you got a toothbrush with you that not only looks sick in your bathroom, it makes you look sexier. The cool part is, it's a great gift for yourself, and a great gift for somebody else. If you want to gift it to somebody else, this is the time to do so. Yo, this is a freaking steal. And if you live in the city, He Grooming, we partnered up with Huawei as well, which means if you live in New York City, you get same day delivery. Which means if you click the link down right now, like click the link, buy a product, it'll get delivered to your house today. Like today, bro, come on. Jeff Bezos, who, bro? Like, this product's moving fast, and I want you to test it out. Like, it's actually a pretty sick feature. If you guys want to test it out and see our toothbrush or any of our other products that are up to 50% off, if I were you, I would stock up because this is going to fly. If you guys want to check it out, there's only 2 days left for this sale. Click that link down below. Number 3, break the touch barrier. See, there's a lot of tension when two people from the opposite sex meet up for the first time. You both are judging each other and you're both thinking the same thing about each other at this point. So the way you test the waters is that you start flirting. And once you do start flirting, you notice that she's actually reciprocating on that banter. Just know that the mentality is mutual, the interest is mutual, and you need to move forward and actually break that tension that's building up and touch her. You can touch her face, her hair, her arms, her hand, her thighs, her lower back. Any of these areas that you touch to break that tension will release dopamine through her body. She'll have butterflies all over her stomach, and she's going to be thinking about this all night. Number 4, you got to make yourself scarce. See, nobody thinks about what they don't already have. If you already have it, you're not going to be wanting it. You yearn for the things that you can't have. So don't give her all that time. Most of your time, like 95% of it, should be invested into yourself to continually level up. So now she's not only going to want you because your time being scarce, she's going to want you because you're turning into the man that's actually scarce. You're a dude that's uncommon. You're becoming a 10%er. Number 5, You just gotta be straightforward. Look, studies have proven it. The best intro is, hi, my name is blank. Yo, they've tested this with thousands of women. All the pickup lines, all the smooth lines. The one that's the most effective is the one that's the most straightforward. So when you have interest, I want you to be straightforward. Yo, cut right to the chase. I think you're pretty. I want to take you out. That's it. See, when you're that direct, you're not beating around the bush. One, she'll appreciate you're not wasting time. And two, she's going to appreciate the directiveness. See, that type of initiative, that's attractive. It shows that you got leadership, that you got determination, and that type of dominance every woman wants. Finally, number 6, you pay. See, if you finally get the date with her that you've been asking her on, you're the one that's gonna have to pay. I don't want you to Dutch the bill. See, paying as a man shows leadership, your ability to provide, your ability to be dominant. It's crazy to think about that today. This is the maximum when in reality it should be the minimum. But the thing is that for her, it's probably something that she has not experienced. So when you take the determination and you don't even flinch, bill comes, you just pay the bill because you asked her on that date. I promise you, she'll be thinking about that tonight. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our Heat products. Again, everything's 50% off sale. It's only going to last 2 more days. That's it for me today. See you next time.